friends, today we are going to start with first topic of Maths 2 Standard 10th. We have already studied what is area, what is ratio in last standard. We also know what is formula to find area of triangle. We know that area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Let's find ratio of area of these two triangles. So here we have first triangle, that is triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. We know in both cases area of first triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height, and the same formula applies for second triangle. So area of second triangle is also 1 by 2 into base into height. So we substitute these values. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to 1 by 2 into the base of first triangle is BC and height of first triangle, that is AD, divided by 1 by 2 into base of second triangle, that is QR, into height of second triangle, that is PS. So here 1 by 2 is common in both cases. So 1 by 2 will get cancelled with 1 by 2. So for convenience, now we will call the base of first triangle is B1 and height of the triangle is H1. Base of second triangle, we will call this as B2 and height of this triangle, so we will call it as H2. So let's substitute the value. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to base of first triangle into height of first triangle upon, in denominator, base of second triangle into height of second triangle. Hence the ratio of areas of any two triangles is equals to ratio of their bases with their corresponding height. Now we are going to study two cases. What will happen if heights of both triangles will be same? And the second case is what will happen if bases of both triangles are same? So here we have first case. If the heights of both triangles are equal, so let's find the ratio. Area of first triangle, that is ABC, upon area of another triangle, that is triangle PQR, is equal to 1 by 2 into base of first triangle, that is BC, into height of first triangle, that is AD. In denominator, again 1 by 2 into base of another triangle, that is QR, and height of that triangle, that is PS. Now 1 by 2 will get cancelled with 1 by 2. In both cases we know height is same. So let's substitute. The height of first triangle is h and height of another triangle is also h. As height is same, so it will also get cancelled. So therefore, area of first triangle ABC upon area of second triangle, that is PQR, will be equal to base of first triangle, that is BC, upon base of another triangle, that is QR. So in first case, if height is same, then ratio of area of both triangles will be equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Now let's see another condition. What will happen if bases of both triangles are equal? Now area of first triangle, that is triangle ABC, upon area of another triangle, that is triangle ABP, is equals to, now we know that this ratio will be equal to ratio of their bases with their corresponding height. So in first triangle, the base is AB into height of first triangle, that is H1. In another triangle, base of second triangle is again AB into height of second triangle, that is H2. So again base will be cancelled with base, and therefore we will get the ratio that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ABP will be equal to H1 upon H2. So the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal base will be equal to ratio of their corresponding heights.